The travel industry is constantly evolving, and the future of travel looks exciting. With advancements in technology, changes in consumer behavior, and a growing emphasis on sustainability, travel is set to look very different in the coming years. In this video, we'll explore what's coming in 2025 and beyond in the world of travel. From autonomous vehicles to AI-driven travel experiences, we're on the verge of major changes that will transform the way we explore the world. If you want to stay ahead of the trends, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more travel insights. 1. Autonomous vehicles will revolutionize travel. In the near future, autonomous vehicles, including self-driving cars and buses, will become more mainstream, making travel safer, more convenient, and more sustainable. These vehicles will reduce the need for human drivers and offer a new level of comfort and efficiency. Autonomous cars will allow passengers to relax, work, or even sleep during long road trips. In cities, self-driving buses and taxis will change public transportation, providing more accessible and eco-friendly options for getting around. This shift will make traveling by land more efficient, reducing traffic and improving overall convenience. 2. AI-powered travel assistants will personalize your trips. Artificial intelligence is set to play a huge role in the future of travel. AI-powered travel assistants will become an integral part of our travel experiences, helping us plan, book, and navigate our trips with ease. These assistants will use machine learning to personalize travel recommendations based on individual preferences and past behavior. For example, AI could suggest personalized itineraries, find the best deals, or even adjust your travel plans in real time based on weather, traffic, or flight delays. With these AI-powered tools, travelers will experience a new level of convenience and customization when planning their trips. 3. Virtual reality (VR) will change how we explore destinations. Virtual reality is already changing the way we experience destinations, and in 2025 and beyond, it will become more immersive and accessible. Travelers will be able to use VR technology to explore destinations from the comfort of their own homes before making a decision to visit. Imagine virtually walking through the streets of Paris or taking a guided tour of the Great Wall of China, all while sitting on your couch. Travel agencies and tourism boards will also use VR to offer virtual experiences, giving potential travelers a taste of their dream destinations. This technology will revolutionize the way people research and plan trips. 4. Sustainable travel will become the norm. As awareness of climate change continues to grow, sustainable travel will be more important than ever. By 2025, we expect to see a significant shift towards more eco-friendly travel options. Airlines will invest in sustainable fuel sources, electric planes will begin to take off, and carbon-neutral travel will become more common. Hotels will adopt greener practices, such as energy-efficient designs, water conservation, and waste reduction. Tourists will also play a role by choosing eco-conscious destinations, participating in wildlife conservation activities, and opting for carbon offset programs. Sustainability will no longer be a niche market, but an integral part of the travel experience. 5. Digital nomadism will continue to grow. The rise of remote work has already led to an increase in digital nomadism, and this trend is expected to continue well into 2025 and beyond. Many people are choosing to work from anywhere in the world, taking advantage of flexible schedules and remote job opportunities. Destinations like Bali, Mexico City, and Lisbon have already become hotspots for digital nomads, offering co-working spaces and a vibrant community of like-minded individuals. In the future, countries will likely offer more remote work visas, making it easier for digital nomads to live and work abroad. This shift will lead to a more interconnected world where work and travel can seamlessly coexist. The future of travel is filled with exciting possibilities. Autonomous cars will allow passengers to relax during long road trips. Self-driving buses and taxis will change public transportation, providing more accessible and eco-friendly options for getting around. From autonomous vehicles and AI-powered assistants to sustainable travel and space tourism, the way we travel will look vastly different in just a few short years. These innovations will make travel more accessible, efficient, and enjoyable than ever before. By 2025 and beyond, we'll see a new era of travel that allows us to explore the world in ways we never thought possible. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest trends in travel. The future of travel is waiting. Are you ready to experience it?